Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Struggling with heavy tennis rackets that tire your arm too quickly? Or maybe you want more power without putting in extra effort? Many recreational players need a lightweight racket that's easy to swing, forgiving on mishits, and comfortable for long matches. That's where the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3 comes in. This is the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, a lightweight recreational tennis racket designed for effortless power, comfort, and easy handling. Ultra lightweight design, only about 240 G for easy swings. Had heavy balance for added power with less effort. Oversized head for a larger sweet spot and more forgiveness. Graphite composite frame for strength and vibration control. Long body design for extra reach and leverage. Comfortable grip size 3, 4 and 3/8 inches for better control. Ideal for beginners to intermediate recreational players. Pros: very lightweight and arm-friendly. Easy power without needing strong swings. Large sweet spot reduces mishits. Comfortable for long casual matches. Cons: less control for advanced players. Had heavy balance may feel unstable at net. Not ideal for aggressive topspin hitters. This racket is best for beginners and recreational players. Players wanting lightweight comfort. Seniors or players with arm fatigue. Anyone needing easy power and forgiveness. Not ideal for competitive or advanced control-focused players. At around $169, the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3 offers great value for recreational players, especially if you want lightweight comfort, easy power, and a forgiving sweet spot. Number 2. This is the Babolat Boost S tennis racket, a lightweight, easy-to-play racket built for beginners and casual players who want power and comfort. Lightweight 280 G frame for easy swing speed. Graphite construction for better feel and durability. Mid-plus head size for balanced power and control. Slightly head-heavy balance for effortless depth. 4 and 3/8 inches grip size for comfortable handling. Open string pattern for added spin potential. Pre-strung and ready to play out of the box. Designed for all skill levels, especially beginners. Pros: easy to swing and very beginner-friendly. Good balance of power and control. Lightweight but still stable. Comfortable feel with less arm fatigue. Cons: not powerful enough for advanced players. Less precision than performance rackets. Stock strings may need upgrade later. This racket is best for beginners learning proper technique. Recreational and casual players. Players wanting lightweight control. Adults returning to tennis. Not ideal for advanced or competitive power hitters. At around $150, the Babolat Boost S offers solid value, lightweight performance, graphite build, and easy playability for new and recreational players. Number 3. This is the Wilson Clash 108 V2, a flexible, arm-friendly performance tennis racket designed for easy power and comfort. 108 SQ and oversized head for a larger sweet spot. 45-degree carbon construction for improved flexibility. Arm-friendly design reduces vibration and shock. Lightweight frame around 280 G unstrung for easy swings. Headlight balance for better control and maneuverability. 4 1/4 inches grip size for comfortable handling. Open string pattern for added spin potential. Extended forgiveness for off-center hits. Pros: extremely comfortable and arm-friendly. Large sweet spot for easy power. Great control for an oversized racket. Easy to swing and forgiving. Cons: less stability against heavy hitters. Oversized head may reduce precision. Unstrung requires additional string cost. This racket is best for intermediate to advanced recreational players. Players with arm pain or tennis elbow concerns. Players wanting easy power with comfort. Doubles players needing maneuverability. Not ideal for aggressive baseline power players. Number 4. This is the Head Geo Speed Tennis Racket, a lightweight, beginner-friendly racket designed for easy power and control. Lightweight 10.4-ounce frame for easy swing speed. Extended 27.5-inch length for extra reach and power. Titanium construction for durability and stability. Headlight balance for better control and maneuverability. Large sweet spot for more forgiving shots. 4 3/8 inches grip size for comfortable handling. Pre-strung and ready to play out of the box. Clean black and white design for a modern look. Pros: lightweight and easy to control. Good power for beginner players. Extended length adds reach. Pre-strung and ready to use. Cons: less control for advanced players. Not ideal for heavy topspin hitters. Titanium frame has less feel than graphite. This racket is best for beginners learning tennis. Casual recreational players. Players wanting lightweight comfort. Adults returning to tennis. Not ideal for intermediate or advanced competitive players. At around $140, the Head Geo Speed offers solid value, lightweight design, extended reach, and beginner-friendly performance right out of the box. Number 5. This is the Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5, an ultralight performance tennis racket built for fast swings, spin, and modern aggressive play. Ultra-lightweight 9.7 ounces unstrung frame. 100 SQ in head size for power and control balance. Carbon fiber construction for stability and durability. Spin-friendly open string pattern for aggressive topspin. Headlight balance for fast maneuverability. 4 1/8 inches grip size for smaller hands and quick handling. Ideal for fast swing speed and baseline play. Unstrung frame allows custom string setup. Pros: extremely lightweight and fast swinging. Great spin potential. Easy to maneuver at net. Good control for aggressive players. Cons: less stability against heavy hitters. Requires strings, extra cost. Not very powerful for slow swings. This racket is best for intermediate to advanced players. Spin-focused baseline hitters. Players wanting ultralight performance racket. Junior to adult transitioning players. Not ideal for beginners needing maximum power. At around $84.95, the Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5 delivers excellent value, lightweight performance, spin-friendly design, and customizable setup at a budget-friendly price. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tennis gear reviews.